Action.
Is this happening? Found some very interesting candidates. If we could find a schedule, a 3-hour window to go through each one, we can analyze.
No, I meant you. I meant you're gonna be my VP. I want you.
No, I'm a CEO of a large company.
If he brings
And then eventually he comes back.
what he
Does he
does,
bring you with him?
what he does,
You know what?
for example,
Kind of fishes. There's people that you're gonna like. He goes, right.
and he says, you know, so
Through, just get put it right through the widest part.
Pick this one. No,
The
pick this
bait.
one.
All right. You show me where's the widest part.
Right there.
That's it.
You know.
I mean, I'm gonna finish this. You can wrap the background after, except for what we need from the lot. And a handful for the lobby.
The lobby is bigger than we think. It's a thing. I'll keep a good 30 people there, not 10.
Yeah.
So actually,
she was never involved in politics. She was always involved in policy. You know what I mean?
So nice to be back here at home. You see, I grew up in Wyoming, and I remember when I was a child, my mother would wash my white dress so I would be clean and fresh. And my father, he worked hard. Yep. Hello. Hello, how are you today? Good, good, good to hear. It's really nice to be back in my home state. See, I grew up in Wyoming, and gosh, I remember as a child.
Well, enough of the horsing around, but that is what us cowboys do. So no more fun stuff, back to business. Well, federal overreach and regulations. Find some perspicacity in the fore. There's just too much complicated variables coming out of DC, and who here can understand the psychobabble? Well, I can, and I can guide you through that. Sacred, steeped in legend, and it is in my blood. It's in my blood. I am as much a Wyomingite, I like that demonym, as Jedediah Smith, or as...
What are we gonna do? Dad.
And cut. Ooh, that was good. That was really good.
Then we got to sort of know the valleys. So then when we came back, we bought a little house. I don't know who was cheap. And then we bought a nicer house around the country. And then we bought an even nicer house.
And I said, like I shared it in theaters, and then it's funny. It's also human life. And sometimes. Please no more. Please no more. Please no more. Oh God, no, You're so mean to me.
Well, I think that this merits some of the good stuff. They gave me the keys to the goddamn palace.
And cut.
Set.
Set. And action.
That's right. I need the Canadian Prime Minister. No, we've got planes in the air with nowhere to land. We need to land in Canadian airspace at the airports there.
Can you turn it to
All the international flights heading to Newfoundland. Yes.
I still have
Yes,
one
immediately.
plane.
I can't figure out how to change the channel.
I'll call an Alliance Middle Coalition.
It's wise that you and I not be in the same location for continuity of government.
Of course, yeah, of course. Hey, we're gonna be all right on this, aren't we? We'll be able to play golf again.
Yes, sir. Yes, we will.
Your hair looks super cute today. Perfect.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there she is.
Oh.
Brings the voice out.
Where do you like to come
Like a light Ethel Merman.
Oh.
Hi guys, here's today's Daily Fact. Now, to clothe the 20,000 extras for the film Schindler's List, costume designers took out ads seeking clothing. Now, due to poor economic conditions in Poland, many people were eager to sell clothes from the 1930s and 40s they still owned. Now click here below to subscribe for more content on the side. Watch another video. See ya.